welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this space, my name is Adeze and you're welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a vlog day, shoot day, and I just want to do this vlog trying to capture all the behind the scenes that happen on a typical shoot day, all of the things I do in the house and all of that on a typical day when I shoot. Yeah, I just thought to record it, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you love it. So I just woke up right now, so I'm gonna take my shower, do a little chore in the house, do breakfast, do my makeup, shower, do my makeup, set up, and then we start. That sounds like what you are interested. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Hey guys, so I'm done with my makeup and the clothes I put in the washing machine is done. So I'm just gonna put it out and just dry it properly before I get right into the shoot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that right away. Now. Hey guys, how are you? I just finished recording my last video right now and a girl is tired. Like I am so tired right now. I want to make some spaghetti and I don't know if I'm going to be able to record it. So because it's already afternoon, it's already lunch and I am so hungry. So I'm going to head to the kitchen right now to make my lunch. So this is how my day went, the behind the scene. It was really hectic but fun because today was a very productive day and I'm so happy, super excited. I hope you enjoyed this vlog like I did shooting it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because I am about to begin to dish out like some content that you're not going to be able to resist. Subscribe to the channel and join the family till I come your way again. Stay blessed and stay fabulous. Bye guys.